In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your checkout page using the Checkout Field Editor plugin. The checkout process is a crucial step in an online store, both for you and your customers. A seamless experience here can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. So, let's walk through how to make that possible by editing your checkout fields. First, make sure you have the Checkout Field Editor plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, you'll want to go to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard, search for Checkout Field Editor, and click to install and activate it. Once that's done, we can dive into making those essential edits to your checkout process. Head over to the plugin settings in your dashboard. You will probably find it under the WooCommerce section or a dedicated tab labeled Checkout Fields. When you click into this area, you will see a list of all the fields that currently appear in your checkout process. Now this is where the real fun begins because you have full control to edit or add billing fields as you see fit. Perhaps you want to ask for a middle name, a phone number, or any other special requests for your customers. The goal here is to gather only the actionable information you need to ease the order process and enhance customer service, keeping in mind not to overburden your customers with too many requests. To edit an existing field, just click on it. You'll be able to modify the label, placeholder, and any other field attributes from here. Should you wish to make a field optional or mandatory, now's your chance. This added flexibility can really help in tailoring your checkout process to better fit your business model. If you're looking to add a new billing field, you'll need to click on the option that allows you to add new field. This will enable you to name the field, decide on the type of input, and determine if you'd like it as an essential or optional entry. Think about your product, your customers, and what would make the checkout process more effective, not more cumbersome. Once you finish making edits or adding new fields, it's time to save your changes. Saving is crucial. This final step ensures that everything you've added or tweaked takes effect. Simply click the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top of your screen, and there you have it. You've now customized your checkout fields to suit your business better and enhance the purchasing experience for your customers. Remember, it's all about creating a smooth, easy, and beneficial process for everyone involved. Feel free to return and make further adjustments as your needs evolve or as you gather feedback from your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful to you. Happy customizing!